Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AEMD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Absolutely monster move today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for a while. So definitely a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support. Then we can talk areas of resistance. First area of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can continue to hold up above $1.55. Now I use the word continue very deliberately, because when you look closely here, you can see that on several occasions today, the bears did try to press down through that mark, but to give credit where credit's due, the bulls did a great job of holding strong, and if that can continue to happen going forward, like I said, that would be a huge sign of power. Don't get me wrong, though, if the price does fall below $1.55, I'm not saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that, but yeah, if the price can somehow manage to continue to hold, that'd be a great sign of power. Taking a step back to look at the next level of support, and this definitely assumes you have more of a broader term time horizon, but that is where the purple line there comes into play, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. As time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So from a very simplistic point of view in terms of how do you gauge the current strength of the price movement, simply put, as long as the price stays above that purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control, the bulls are in full health. No doubt about it. Again, yeah, if the price can stay above $1.55, that would be perfect. But from the broad scope of it all, as long as it stays above that purple line, then everything is fully in the bull's favor. What about areas of resistance? As it stands right now, key level where the sellers seem to be hanging out, right up here around the $1.74 mark. I realize the price technically went up there about to $1.75, but a couple of times, the price didn't quite hit it. So I'm just trying to split kind of split the difference up there. I think we can all agree, though, the main point of price congestion definitely right around this $1.73, $1.74 mark. All in all, though, just focus on building higher bases, and the rest of the chart will take care of itself. So very nice move today. We'll see if the bulls can continue to build upon this momentum to close out the week tomorrow or not.
One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.